Hi friends, we can create wonderful websites in no time using WordPress. In this video, we are going to create a website for creative portfolio, be it a photography portfolio, digital agency or creative agency portfolio. You can target with the theme that we are going to overview, and the theme name is Hind. Hind is a multi-concept portfolio photography WordPress theme, and we are going to create a website very modern, unique in a style. So you can see some layouts here. It is really very attractive in look. This is very material design is really very good. And now I am going to show you all the options. In fact, I like this one very much. And it is really very impressive. Okay, so with the theme, we have multiple pre-made websites. You can choose any of these websites as your pre-made website and demo website, and you can start creating your own by updating your own content. And you don't need any technical skill for doing all such things. So I am assuming you have already taken a hosting plan, suitable hosting plan for WordPress website, and you have already installed the WordPress core. If you have yet not done all these things, you can simply follow the another playlist available on this channel called Learn WordPress, and you can do all these things for taking hosting and the theme and all. You can follow the video description links. Okay, so I have this core installation, and we are targeting any of these websites. We have multiple layouts with the theme that we are going to use. Once we create a demo website, we will discuss rest all the things. So let us start the installation. This is fresh installation, and our website is looking like this with the default WordPress theme. I have this theme pack, Hind, in which I have this installable theme file, the licensing, documentation, and the child theme. So I'm going to use this hind.zip. To install the theme, we can simply open the appearance section and click on add new theme here, upload theme, and here we need to choose the installable theme file. Select hind.zip. This is only installable theme file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. Click on install now. It will take a while. The theme file size being around 18 MB. So it depends upon your server capacity and internet speed as well. If somehow the WordPress interface for uploading the theme does not work for you, you can directly use the file manager available at all cPanels. You can simply find a very suitable hosting plan at WP Themes website. All the relevant links that you need has been given in the video description. Okay, so theme has been installed successfully. We can go to the theme page. To check the details, we have this Hind version 2.4.2 for the time being. When you will order the theme through the video description link, maybe on later dates, depending upon the updates and availability, you shall be getting an updated version always. So it is recommended and mandatory to use the theme coming from the themeforest.net, and you have to follow the video description link. And once you buy the theme through video description link, you can join the iCreate program. I believe you know all these things and you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, please subscribe this channel. You are going to get everything for your website, especially WordPress website. Okay, so to proceed further, we have to activate the theme. And once we activated the theme, we have this alert. This theme requires following plugins. Okay, so we can proceed for installing the required plugins and even recommended ones. Hind the custom meta box is here. Basically, it is coming from the theme developer, theme add-ons, and the Hind visual page builder. Okay, that is great. So these three plugins are required, rest are recommended, but we will install all these plugins to get the optimum features at our website. So I am selecting all these 9 plugins, and I can see the regenerate thumbnail is here, the translation manager and the revolution slider, simple, VP retina, and the WordPress Lightbox. Okay, so these all plugins are coming for great effect at our website. So I'm selecting all, and it is also recommended to you as well. You have to install all these plugins. Later you can decide which plugin, particularly which feature you are not using at your website. You can deactivate the plugin and delete the plugin just in case. So I have selected all, selecting install, clicking on apply. If it works, it will install all the plugins, all 9 plugins, and we have to see and wait here, in fact, until we are getting any message. And I wish to show you the exact time it is taking. 9 plugins in queue being installed, or even it may get failed. I never wish to hide anything during the installation process, so that you may very clear. Yes, all green is here. You can simply follow the same steps. I have installed all the plugins in a single attempt, in a single click. 9 plugins, all green marks here. We can simply go back. Now, this time we have to activate all the installed plugins. Selected all again, selecting activate, clicking on apply. It will activate all the installed plugins. All done. So we have installed the theme, all setup plugins, and coming back to the dashboard. It is basically a welcome page for Slider Revolution. We can come back to the dashboard. Yes, it is here. So now I can refresh this page just to check how our website is looking with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic and the core look of website that is using Hind multi-purpose portfolio WordPress theme. And now we can proceed for importing the demo content to make a target website like any of these. So we have multiple options with the Hind WordPress theme, and I am going to import the demo content. So I'll show you all these links, what these links are bringing for you on your website. But let us first complete the demo. Under appearance, I can see there is an option called import demo data, and all green is again here. So it is necessary to have all green marks here. I mean, the parameters, PHP ini parameters should be adequate for installing the demo content. And if you have any trouble, you have any red mark here, you cannot proceed, or you should not proceed for importing demo content. And you may contact us in the video description section, or you can join the iCreate program, of course, and you can connect a mentor for supporting installation and all things that you need for your WordPress website. It is a very interactive program. I believe you are already a member. If not, try this. You are going to get every solution for your website. For a performing and successful website, you can join the iCreate program. It is important. Just not creating a website is enough for your business. It should be successful as well. So it is very important to have all the features that you need actually for your website. And with the iCreate mentors and team, you can get all these things. Okay. So let us proceed further. And we are here, and I can see the theme demo import settings, all demo content, demo sliders, widgets, configuration, import theme control panel, and all demos can be selected, or one page demo can be selected. So by default, all demos has been selected. You can choose one page as well as per your requirement. But I am going with this default one and click on import demo data, and let us see how it works. So I believe the demo import process is begin, and it is simply written here that please wait, the process can take 1 to 5 minutes. Do not close your browser until the process will finish. Okay, fine. So what we can do, we can open the media library in another tab just to check if we are getting images here. Okay, so we are getting images. It means the demo import is working fine, and we just need to wait here, and the demo import process will complete at it. So okay, data import was imported, was successful. So it is really very amazing. Hardly took 30 seconds for me, and I can see the media items. I believe the placeholder images have been provided. This is why it took so very less time. Yes, so I can refresh this page just to check our website. And yes, it is loading up. The preloader is here. And my preloader is never ending process, never ending. It is again going and going forward, and it is not loading up. So what I did, I have disabled the preloader from the control panel, and let us refresh this page. If it works, I'll show you rest of the things. Yes, so I removed the preloader. It was somehow not working for me. And again, this site is blank. home agency, portfolio. Okay. And pages, home agency 1, creative parallax. Okay, so I'm sure so images has not been provided and the placeholder images are here, and we have to upload our images ultimately to make this website complete. So don't think this is incomplete. We just need to upload our images and our website will be fine. So installation was smooth and easy, and we got all the content, and I can show you how many pages we have received. Okay, so 98 published pages. Okay, so we can use these pages for our content update purposes. Mostly are styling pages, and we can just check and delete those pages that we are not going to use at our website. And now I'm showing you the things that we have received in this installation very quickly so that you may get an idea what is available inside the theme. First of all, I'll show you new things in addition to default WordPress. This is client review. You can handle the client review here. Portfolio items, again, the gallery. Since it is a portfolio website, gallery is important. And the lightbox section is also here. So you can add new gallery as per your requirement. Similarly, lightbox is here. You can set the lightbox basic settings available here. It is complete lightbox setting. And further, I can see the WP bakeries here, Cider Revolution for hero images, and the local translate for translation, translating the words at your website. Okay. Great. And all good is here. And I can show you the theme panel finally, just to show you the controls. So we can simply disable the preloader just in case if it doesn't work for our installation. Upload site preloader image and the parallax effect, background, parallax blocks, and basic settings. Header you can control, you can decide the header height, full width header, and the sticky header part, and rest of control for the headers. The footer similarly available. You can change the parameters, mega menu, sidebars, blog, portfolio, fonts, colors, and skins completely in our control. Custom code, documentation, import, export, and all. So this is very simple and easy to use interface. And what we can do for editing the content, we can simply open the page that we want to edit and click on edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. So we have to upload our own image and the text. Of course, it is very clear. So simply click on the section for hero images. You have to upload in the revolution slider. Rest of images and the content can be edited simply by clicking the pencil icons available at respective elements and sections. So I believe it is going to be easy. Just in case if you have any trouble, you can write in the comment section of this video, or you can join the iCreate program to make your complete website with the help of mentors. And I believe this video remained helpful in understanding the theme features and the content, the things available with the Hind multi-purpose concept WordPress theme. And you are going to use this theme for your next website project. But yes, you have options to compare themes, hundreds of themes and options are available on this channel. Don't miss to compare or select only suitable theme and elements that you actually want for your business website. In the next video, I am coming with more resources. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.